Yes, ma'am. The moment I assume the presidency, contractualization will stop. They have to stop it. Kasi ganito yan eh. We spend so much money of government and people, mga bata, studying sa TESDA. Then they apply and they are accepted as electrician, carpenter. Ang problema ho, after 6 months, because ang mga kompanya ayaw magbayad ng mga bonuses and even the 13-month pay. Kasi pagdating ng 1 year niyan, they have to be paid. Yung mga bonus, lahat na. So to do away with it, tatanggalin nila before 6 months. That has to stop. Kasi sayang at ang mga workers natin cannot acquire the skills that they learned from TESDA because electrician, maya-maya paalisin siya, maghanap siya ng iba carpenter. And even when you grow abroad, it says 3 years experience. Our people, the young people, cannot ever acquire the experience and the enterprise to really be an electrician. Kasi doon sa ibang trabaho, kargador, yung iba boy lang siya, yung iba conductor, or iba talagang walang trabaho. So that is an injustice committed against the people of the Republic of the Philippines. I will not allow that as President of this country.